Hello, Summer. I am loving this new letterboard from Couture, so let's get chalking. I am so excited for the possibilities of this letterboard. It's actually quite large. It's 13 by 19. And it comes with 12 of the chalk tiles in white. I chose to do my project in black. I also picked up an extra set of tiles. I realized I definitely need to get more so that I can spell out bigger words and more words. But I'm also doing this in the letterboard font. There's also a farmhouse letterboard font. I love this set of alphas because it comes with extra icons that are so fun to use with this. And if you haven't seen my video on how I trim and store my alphabet transfers, be sure and take a look at that. This letterboard set is not available to customers yet. It will be available towards the end of June. However, if you'd like to get your hands on it now, you can get designer access. If you go to my website for a $9.99 activation fee, you can sign up. You can also sign up with the bigger kit for $99. Just head to my chalk site, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. So basically what I'm doing, I'm taking off my alphas. I have spread out what I want to spell, and you'll see here in a minute that I actually forgot to grab one of my letters. I forgot to grab the O in hello, and a couple of these letters I'm going to need to use twice. I'm not going to wash in between. I'm just going to pull it up and then place it back down, and it works just fine that way. This was a super easy project. It was so quick, and you can see there how I have the backs of the transfers marked. It makes it so much easier to put your transfers back on your backer paper, although I somehow misplaced the letter E, so I need to find that. That's an important letter. And you can see here I'm grabbing some white paste. It needed a little bit of love, so I just added a little bit of distilled water, just a spritz or two. It's getting down to the bottom, so that's why it's starting to not quite be, or it's getting to be a little bit dry. So a little bit of distilled water and it's good to go. And then I'm going to get to chalking my letters. This is turning out so cute. I love this letterboard set. Like I said, so many possibilities with this. Definitely need to get some more chalk tiles so that I can spell out more words. I'm just going to grab some yellow paste. I believe I grabbed Bumblebee so that I can paste that cute little sun. Like I said, this alphabet set came with a bunch of icons as well. So much fun. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.